and frisky?
What are you doing, Victor? What are you doing? Cute little thing. Come on. You gonna hop up?
Treat. He's trying to tell you, I want treats. I can be cute. Give me treats. I'll be cute for treats. I want treats.
This giant rack.
Look
He's
at that.
the
He's so
alpha
big.
buck.
He's gonna eat the whole vine. No, I guess he's not. I want my treats. Boy, ain't it something? Cat. He knows we can get his horse lice, so he's happy. He's so cute, he's all just giving him a minute. Look at a mosquito eating. Are you getting eaten by mosquitoes?
No, no. Hello, handsome. Hello.
He's trying to
Hello.
mate with you.
Oh, he's just dancing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he likes to dance. Good boy. Come on, Vic Vix.
He's in a great mood. Why are you in such a good mood, cutie? Such a good mood.
Little Vix. Mr. Vapor.
Vapor, Vic Vapor, Vic Side. You cutie.
Okay, Vic. Anything else cute? Go get him, Vic. Go get him. Oh, don't hurt Luke. Oh, be nice to Lucas, son. Be nice to Lucas, son. What's Daddy doing?
You know, if he comes up to a hunter, they'll call him a killer deer.
Oh, I know.
They'll say, he tried to come and get me and I shot him. In that goddamn Outdoor Life magazine, he's always talking about killer deer. They never killed anybody, but you make sure.
Oh, now that wasn't nice.
That was not nice, Victor. Come here, Roger. You hurt the baby. Oh, Roger. That wasn't nice at all.
Victor, how
did he
could you
do
do such
that?
a thing?
But you know he didn't use his points.
Yeah, he was just polite.
He didn't use his points, he used his forehead. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
He's just feeling like he's a big boy now.
Well, he is a big boy.
He says, I'm a big boy. But honestly, he doesn't realize he couldn't take a dog. He somehow thinks he can. Oh, that's gentle. Wasn't that gentle?
I guess. Depends on who you ask.
Yeah. Don't ask Roger. He'll say, I didn't think that was very nice. That was like growling at me. There's all kinds of baby toads over there.
I noticed that myself.
Let's go ahead and get back.
Victor sure is being cute.
He's being really cute.
Uh-oh, Roger, look out. Vic Vix, Vic Vix, Vic Vix, Vic Vix, Vic Vix, Vic Vix.
Come on, Victor. We're playing. Come on.
Come on, Bubs.